Hello. You are welcome to Kurdish lessons. I know you missed me a lot. So today we will be reading text together. It's not really easy, but not really hard. I think you will learn many things from the text. So first I will read the whole text, and then we will have a look at the sentences, the verbs, the new words. Okay? If you are ready, let's go. So here we go. So our text is called gundî in the village. I need a pen. Give me a second. Yes. Let's start. Zarokatiya min gund derbas bû. Ew roj pir xweş bûn. Ez niha bêriya wan rojat dikim. Em ji serê sibehê heta êvarê li derve bûn. Em li kûçe û kolanan digeriyan. Me bi hev re dilîst. Me havîna di golê de avjenî dikir. Em sibehê zû radibûn û me taştê dixwar. Birayên min pez dibir mêrga. Ez jî pirî cara bi wan re diçûm. Hin şivanên gund gelekî xweş li bilûrê dida. Me bi kêfxweşî guhdariya wan dikir. Carinan jî ez bi bavê xwe û apê xwe re diçûm ser zeviya. Li zeviya cotiyara cot dikir û min jî li wan temaşe dikir. Xwişk û dotmamê min diçûn bêriyê û li wir pez didotin. Carna xwişka min ez jî bi xwe re dibirim. Diya min ji şîr, mast, to û penêr çêdikirin. Tehma wan gelekî xweş bû. Hê jî tehma wan dibin zimanê min de ye. Ez gelekî bêriya şevbûhêrka dikim. Şevên zivistanê gundî li hin malan kom dibûn. Carna hin dengwêja kilam digotin û şev xweştir dibûn. Ew roj ti carî ji bîra min naçin. Now we will have a look at all these sentences together. So as you see, gundî is the title, right? So gund is the village, right? It's a masculine word. We say gundemin gundete. And as you know, when there is a preposition, we have to have the oblique form of the noun. That's why gundî, okay, in the village. So in my region, we don't really use these E at the end of the masculine nouns in oblique form, but in many regions like Bahdinan or Silopi, or people say ligundî, okay? So we have to know this. But if you hear people saying ligund, it's fine. Okay. So zarokatiya min, my childhood, ligund derbas bû. Derbas bûn, to pass. Like my childhood passed in the village. Zarokatiya min ligund. So you see here, so I took this text from a book. So actually the title was ligund, but I did it ligundî to show you the grammar, okay? So if there are some ER missing after the masculine nouns, I will add them here. So zarokatiya min ligundî derbas bû. Like my childhood passed in the village. Ew roj pir xweş bûn. Those days were very nice. Ew roj pir xweş bûn. Ez niha bêriya wan roja dikim. Let's start. Bêriya tiştekî kirin. To miss something. To someone or something. To meet someone or to miss something. Ez niha bêriya wan roja dikim. I now miss those days. Ez bêriya wan roja dikim. So how to say I miss you? I miss you. It will be ez bêriya te dikim. Ez bêriya te dikim. Ez bêriya te dikim. Bêriya te dikim. And in the past, I missed you. Bêriya te kir. I missed you. Min bêriya te kir. There is a song, it says, min bêriya te kiriye, bêriya te kiriye. So as نها برياوا روجادكم. I miss those days. So we جسري سبهي حتى إيفاري. جسري سبهي حتى إيفاري means from very beginning in the morning till evening, like the whole day. جسري سبهي حتى إيفاري. جسري سبهي حتى إيفاري للدار. We were outside. So we were outside whole day, right? So again we لكوچه و گولانم دگریان. We were walking, strolling around the streets. کوچه و گولان. ما بحبر دلیست. We were playing together, or we used to play together. So you see here we have دگریان و دلیست. It's past continuous. So this text is about a past, but a period in the past, right? Childhood. That's why it's continuous. So you can use continuous when you speak about in a period of time in the past, and when you want to say used to. I used to, you used to. So here, ما بحبر the least, it can be we were playing or we used to play. Okay. The next sentence, ما هاوینان دگوله دا افجنی دکر. ما هاوینان دگوله دا افجنی دکر. So we used to swim in the lake in the summers. Okay, هاوینان. So here I want to show you something. Havi, summer, right? And هاوینان in the summers, like during the summers. Okay. So زاروکاتی من لگندی در باس بو. او روش پر خوش بود. از نها بریا و روجادکم. جسره سبه حتی ایوار لدر بود. لکوچه و کلانا دگاریان. ما بحاور دلیست. ما هاوینا دگوله ده افجنی دکر. So my childhood passed in the village. Those days were really nice. از نها بریا و روجادکم. I miss those days now. We were outside all day. We were strolling around the streets. We used to play together. We were playing together. We, in the summer, used to swim in the lake. We were swimming in the lake in the summers, okay? So I hope you don't have any questions from here. Yeah, okay? I hope you don't have any questions. So the next part. سبه زور عدبون ومتاشته دخوار. سبه زور عدبون ومتاشته دخوار. We used to, or we were waking up really early. سبه زور, early in the morning. متاشته دخوار. We were having breakfast. We used to have breakfast. برای من پز دبر مرگا. So my brother was taking the sheep to the fields. Okay, merg is not field maybe, but like the place animals graze. I don't know. Okay, so merg. برای من پس دبر مرگا. از جی, me too, I too. از جی پریجارا بوانرچم. I used to go with them many times. از جی پریجارا بوانرچم. I was going with them. هن شوانن گند گلکی خوش لبلوره ددا. هن شوانن گند گلکی خوش لبلوره ددا. So some of the shepherds in the village, you know, it would be better to say شوانن gundî of the village. گلکی خوش لبلوره ددا. So ل تتتنت دان is to play instrument. لبلوره ددا, they used to play flute. گلکی خوش, nicely, very nice. هن شوانن گندی گلکی خوش لبلوره. So here هن is some. Okay. ما بكيف خوشی گهداریا واندکر. We were listening them. We used to listen them like happily. بكيف خوشی. جارنانجی, and sometimes از بباوی خواه و آپی خواه دچوم سر زویا. جارنانجی از بباوی خواه و آپی خواه دچوم سر زویا. So چوم سر, like to go, to visit, to go, okay? It's days we like to go. So sometimes I, with my father and uncle, I was going to the fields. Lizelian in the fields, Jotyaran Jotekar. So Jotyaran like farmer. Farmers were plowing. Jotkaran to plow, okay? ومنجي لوان تماشا دكر, and I was watching them. So, سبه زورا دبون وما تاشته دخوار. برای من پس دبر مرگا. از جی پریجارا بوان ردچوم. هن شوانن گندی گلکی خوش لبلورek ده. ما بکیف خوشی گهداریا وادکر. جار ناجی از بباغ خواه و آپه خواه دچوم سر زویا. لزویا جوتیارا جوتکر ومن جی لوا تماشدکر. Yeah. Now the next passage. خوشکو دوتمامه من دچون بریه و لور پس ددوتن. جارنا خوشکامن از جی بخوره دبرم. دیا من جشیری ماست تو و پنیر چه دکرن. تعماوان گلکی خوش بو. هیجی تعماوان دبن زمانه من دیا. So let me explain you. خوشکو دوتمامه من. My cousins and my sisters دچون بریه. So we're going to Beri. So Beri, it's here. It's the place where people milking area, okay? Oh, lower past the doten. So here we have a new word. Doten is to milk. Mendot, I milk. And in the present, as the doshum, it is dosh. So me خوشکو دوتمامه من دچون بریه و lower past the doten. So my sisters and my cousins, my female cousins, used to go to, or they were going to the milking area and milk the sheep there. Jarna, sometimes, خوشکامن, my sister, as جی بخوره دبرم. So sometimes my sisters was taking me with her. She was taking me with her. Okay? So Jarna, خوشکامن, as جی بخوره دبرم. So the verb is برن here, okay? برن. So I will show you my handwriting. I write normally much better, but you know, it's hard. So برن to take, okay? To take. Yes. So جارنا خوشکامن از جی بخوره دبرم. Diamen, my mom, jishiri out of milk, from milk, mast to upaner chedikar. So my mom was making cream, yogurt, cheese from milk, out of milk. Okay? Ta'mawan galleki khoshbud. Their taste was really good. Ta'mawan galleki khoshbud. Ta'am is taste. Ta'am. Ta'am. Heiji. Still, Tamawan, their taste is here under my tongue. Like I still remember the taste. So Heiji, Tamawan, the bin zamane mindaya. Heiji, Tamawan, the bin zamane mindaya. Lovely. And the last passage, I will change my pen. Let's say blue. As Geliki Beria Chef Buher Kadaka. So Chef Buher is like jolly. I hope I pronounce it correctly, jolly. So it's like a meeting, okay, to have some fun. So I really miss these like meetings, but Chef Buher is for night, okay? Like night meetings, okay, to have some fun. Shavin Zavistane, like in the winter nights, Gundî villagers, Lehen Malan Komdebun. So Kombun, it's verb here. You may know Kom means group, and Kombun to come together, together, okay, to come. Yeah, to come together, okay? It's to come together. So gundî villagers لهن مالان in some villages come together. They used to come together. They were coming together. Jarna sometimes hun dengbêjar, some of dengbêjs kalam goten used to sing. Kalam, not sing, but like storytelling. They used to tell stories. U shev khoshtir dibun, and nights were becoming nicer. Khoshtir is nicer. Awroj, those days, tujari, never and ever, never, jibiraman nachin. I don't forget them. They don't go out of my memory. Awroj, tujari, jibiraman nachin. I never forget those days. So now we will read it for the last time. And I hope when I finish the reading, you will say, oh, I understood. So, لگوندی زاروکاتیا من لگوند در باس بو او روش پر خوش بود از نها بریا و روژا دکم جسرس به حتی وار لدر بود لکوچه و کولانا دگریا ما بهر دلیست ما هاوینا دگوله دا افجنی دکر سبه زور عدبون و ما تشته دخوار برای من پس دبر مرگا از جی پری جارا بوارد چوب هن شوانه گوند گلکی خوش لبلوره ددا ما بکیف خوشی گهداریا وادکر جار ناجی از بباغ خواه و آپی خواه دچوم سرزویا لزویان جوتیاران جوت دکر و من جی لوان تماشه دکر خوش کدوت مامه من دچون بیریه و لور پس ددوده جارنا خوش کامن از جی بخواره دبرم دیامن جشیر ماست تو و پنیر چه دکرن دعماوان گلیکی خوش بو هیجی دعماوان دبن زمانه من دایا از گلیکی بریا شیبو هر کادکم شوی زبستانه گندی لهم علا کم دبون جارنا هندنگ بیجا کلام دگوتن و شب خوشتر دبون او روش تو جاری جبیرا من ناچن I never forget these days. So I hope you enjoyed the lesson, the video lesson. So it was just a short reading text for those who want to improve their reading, listening, and vocabulary skills. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me, KurdishLessons2019@gmail.com. And as my lovely followers, if you want to support me, so there will be a join button under this video or in my profile. So there you can subscribe and you can join my membership. So you will be one of my member and you can support me. So you will see the options there. So thank you so much. Have a nice weekend. وبخاطر حتى فيديو كدن سر سرا وسر جعبا